Preity Zinta has criticized Congress Kerala after it claimed that the actor gave her social media accounts to a political party, namely the BJP. Preity Zinta also clarified that the loan was paid off over a decade ago. Expressing her shock, the actor added that the party was indulging in vile gossip and clickbaits using her name and images. Let's also remind you what Kerala Congress said about Preity Zinta. Sharing a report which also featured Preeti's photo, Congress Kerala tweeted on Monday that she gave her social media accounts to BJP and got 18 crore written off. And the bank collapsed last week. The bank in question here is the New Cooperatives Bank. The Kerala Congress then said that depositors are on the street for their money while Preity Zinta got away as her loan was written off by the bank without the senior officials being in awareness of what is happening. But Preity Zinta has criticized this charge of the Kerala Congress and said that the party is just spreading misinformation, fake news and is indulging in clickbait news, which is not correct. She says that I use my social media handle personally. It has not been given to any political party. The Kerala Congress claims that the BJP is using Preity Zinta's handle, and also she got 18 crore of favor from it, and by writing it off, the bank, which now is in a troubled state after being coming under the RBI's lens, the bank is now struggling to pay back depositors who had deposited their money. And now Kerala Congress says that while the Janta is witnessing and handling it with difficulty, stars and celebs like Preity Zinta have gotten away easily by favoring political parties on their social media handle. However, Preity Zinta has clarified that the rupees 18 crore loan that is in question was paid off 10 years ago. So there is nothing to point fingers at. The loan was paid off over a decade ago. That's how Bollywood actress is now defining and defending her statement against Kerala Congress. My colleague Radhika Ramaswamy is joining me for more on this. Radhika, take us through the war of words, exactly what the Kerala Congress is saying and how Preity Zinta is now reacting to it.
That's why Preity Zinta has slammed Kerala Congress over the social media post that the Congress party has put out, in which it is said that Preity Zinta did not pay off the loan. In fact, her 18 crore loan was waived off by New India Cooperative Bank because her accounts are being managed by the BJP. So this is a serious allegation that has been made, to which Preity Zinta, the actor, has really slammed the Congress party, calling this information as lies and also misinformation being peddled by a national party of this stature. This is something that's condemnable, is something the actor has said. Of course, a New India Cooperative Bank, as we know, has been under the scanner. Multiple people associated with the bank have been arrested as a result of misappropriation of funds, and there have been multiple restrictions imposed by the RBI as far as the bank is concerned. And there were some online reports on certain medium stating that Preity Zinta's loan was in fact waived off. 18 crore rupees was waived off, to which Preity Zinta did give out a statement clarifying that she had in fact paid off this amount more than 10 years ago, and this is completely false. So this is something that she had said in a statement earlier this morning, but post that the Congress party putting out that social media post, once again putting out how Preity Zinta's loan was waived off by New India Cooperative Bank, and this as a result of her support by the BJP. So this has been slammed by the actor herself. She has called this misinformation. She has in fact said that this is fake news. No one wrote off anything or any loan for me. I'm shocked that a political party or their representative is promoting fake news. For the record, a loan was taken and fully paid back over 10 years ago. So this is a clarification that has been given by Zinta, but it remains to be seen how much of this is true, because some online forums have in fact stated that some amount of loan has been waived off of Preity Zinta's, but no information of that nature coming in from the bank. We do not have any sort of evidence to really prove from the side of the bank or from the side of any representative of the RBI. So at this point, of course, this is an online report, post which Preeti Zinta clarifying, and then Congress really coming into the picture and making that allegation, and Preeti Zinta once again slamming and attacking the Congress party and completely rubbishing all the allegations.
Radhika, the bank in question, the New India Cooperatives Bank, tell us the condition and the state of affairs regarding that bank, as well as are we hearing any response on the story from the bank itself?
No response from the bank yet. We did try and speak to a few representatives there, but they are not in a position to respond at this point. Multiple restrictions have been imposed by RBI. This bank is under the SCANA Economic Offences Wing, is conducting investigations post allegations of misappropriation of funds, as well as siphoning off of funds by general manager, as well as former general manager and several officials connected to the bank. At least rupees 122 crore from bank safe was misappropriated is the allegation, which is why multiple arrests were made in connection to the case. It is being investigated, as a result of which there have been multiple restrictions as far as withdrawals and deposits are concerned over the last several weeks, which has caused a lot of inconvenience to the bank's account holders, which is why we also saw multiple protests outside the branches in Goregaon and Dadar in the last several weeks. But at this point, of course, this has come under the radar of the RBI. Post inspection is when these allegations came to the fore, after which Economic Offences Wing took over the investigation. People, including former general manager, was arrested for siphoning off of funds, post which there was an online report which said that the bank had in fact waived off rupees 18 crore the loan that was apparently given to Preeti Zinta, which has been completely rubbished by Zinta herself. Congress party there weighing in, and Preeti Zinta attacking the Congress party over alleged misinformation.